Hey, what's up, guys? So, today we'll be talking about the 80/20 principle. Main objective here is focusing on your tasks from what's most important to what's least important. The busy syndrome. Efficiency is doing things right, effectiveness is doing the right things. By Peter Drucker. Most people are addicted to being busy, doing things for the sake of doing things, and it doesn't mean you're getting the right things done. So make sure you watch out for this because this can be one of the biggest signs of procrastination is is not doing what you have to do and doing other things besides that. The myth of multitasking. Slow down and remember this. Most things make no difference. Being busy is a form of laziness, lazy thinking, and indiscriminate action. By Tim Ferriss. Your mind can only focus on one thing at a time, even though it can switch rapidly. A key to success. Laser focus on the most important task and move to the next. The easiest way to do this is to have a chart and to have from what's most important to what's least important. And what's most important, make sure you have it, you start it, and you have it on your phone or everywhere you go. So you focus on that first. The main lesson focus on what's truly important. This is how you will find the most important things to do. You will achieve your goals in a much more effective way. And another key is to focus on what's important. And the second most important things you can outsource and give it to other people to do. And the third things you just find time or plan a time to do as if it's like a hobby or going to the gym or talking to a friend. Just simply plan out like 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or however you mean to do it. But the main thing is to focus on what's important for your business or for yourself. Outsource what's secondary so you can leverage your time. And third thing is so you can have more time and use that time effectively on which you can use it for like family or friends or hobbies. That's all for today. I hope you can use this as a tool for your business and your lifestyle. Like and subscribe. Peace.